Monsome News Agency informs.
A documentary sharing COVID-19 experiences, the Mongolian response, on Mongolia's experience in containing COVID-19 is now available on the official YouTube channel of the World Health Organization. Following the SARS outbreak in 2003 and H1N1 outbreak in 2009, Mongolia embarked on a long-term journey to strengthen public health emergency preparedness supported by the World Health Organization. The COVID-19 pandemic was the real-life test of the country's system readiness. This video tells the story of Mongolia's response to COVID-19, reads the description of the video, which is available in both English and Mongolian languages. Since the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, Mongolia started taking measures to prevent from the spread of the virus, such as shutting down schools and kindergartens, restricting passenger movements across its borders, and imposing a 21-day isolation on all overseas arrivals. Thanks to these measures, there have been no local transmission of the coronavirus and no COVID-19 related deaths detected in Mongolia. As of November 2nd, the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases reached 349. All of them are imported or detected from people who arrived from abroad and were placed under mandatory isolation.